Hey you guys, it's your girl Meiko. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing what's on my iPhone video. So if you want to see what's on my iPhone, then continue watching, which y'all know said. So continue watching, okay? Okay. So as you see, I have a picture of me, moi, hey, on my home screen. And then when you open it up, at the bottom I have Netflix, you feel me, which Orange New Black, and then Instagram. So like, ooh, if you wanna like follow me or follow my spam page, you can do this. It's okay. And then I have Snapchat. Oh, hold on. Go follow me. Okay, sis. And then in my yellow folder, I have tips, follow friends, you know, home, notes, reminders, photos. Let's see what's in here. Oh, photos, eBay. And in my red folder, I have Foot Locker. Trying to cut me some new shoes, okay? Pinterest, YouTube, news, which I don't use. Like, I don't use half the stuff on my phone, but who cares? Google Photos, Flow, Health, Photo Math. When I start school next week, yes. Calendar, and then YouTube Studios. So that's that. And in my green folder, I have Find My iPhone, Cash App, broke as fuck, and love being broke. So if you want to be broke with me, you know, you can always add money to my account, you feel me? And then I have Spotify, Messenger, phone, maps, based on dying much. And then in my purple folder, we have Monkey, iMovie, which I don't use, music, podcasts, iTunes Store, don't use them either. In my blue folder, why are there so many things? In my email. In my blue folder, we have Messenger, weather, Safari, clips, files, Apple Music, Apple Store, mail. Need to go through that. Apple Store. It's hot in my room, and I'm getting hot. Power School. Then we have PixArt, Amazon, IKEA, and Walmart. And then my last folder, it's just a worthless folder. Don't even have to go through it. You can see it. Worthless. This is basically what's in my iPhone. Nothing tackle smackle, you feel me? So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, you feel me? Help this girl out. And stay tuned for my next video, which will be on Monday. So yeah.